Everywhere there are cameras and monitor. And then here. And then there. Here is better than Hong Kong Stadium because here inside is anong tawag nito? Air conditioner works. Hong Kong Stadium in Hong Kong Island doesn't have aircon. When it's raining, we all got wet, especially those players. While here, it's close. Japan! Boy! Woo! Apologize! France are bigger than Japan. Allah, the other girl has band-aids on the other eyes. Check Sumi. Shout out Japan. We always have our Airbnb guests, mostly Japanese. There are French, but mostly Japanese is majority are Japanese visiting in our Airbnb Cebu. Oh! Oh, nakuha yung bola. The ball is snatched from Japan to now French. Oh my God, I'm worried my back. There's so many drunk holding beer. Come on, sige na. Run! Ay, kamatang. Run! Someone was asking my name and then it's a guy, UK guy or British guy, and then a girl grab him, hug him. I'm like, oh, I don't wanna involve with you guys. I'm busy here. He's a little drunk. Oh my God, the ball is back to French. Sorry. It happens when I don't watch the camera. I watch the actual. Some people here doesn't know how to watch rugby. They're just here paying attention with the viewers or the audience. They don't watch the rugby. They don't understand. Me, I've been watching rugby like 16 years now. Since 15 years. Since 2015. Tama ba? Ano, 2011. Yeah, 2011. So 15 years. Because this year is 26. So I started 2011. Every year. What I like most is during Hong Kong Stadium game, it's always raining and winter or it's cold because they held it during March, early March or mid-March. So now the ball, oh my God, solo. Woo! Offline. Panalo. So again, what I like most during those days, when it's raining, it was so slippery, and the guy or the player, they always slide or they're all wet, and when someone grab the opponent, they cannot grab them because they are slippery. And then some of them sometimes pull the short down. It was so much fun. Again, right now we are watching women's team, France versus Japan. Second half. Time is 5 minutes. 5 seconds. Actually, 2, 1. Run! Win, France! Run! At least they scored.
Full time. France 22, Japan 12.
Done with the game, women's. I think this is finals or semi. Oh no, this is not final. Tomorrow is today is Saturday, by the way. Saturday, April 18. Tomorrow is final Sunday. Alright, that's it, guys. Winner are France team.